Hello friends, DK this side. Friends, if you are a young professional and have started your career just now, or you are in the early stages of your career, then mutual funds are very powerful instrument. But among the hundreds of mutual funds being offered by several asset management companies, it is very important for you to understand the mutual fund thoroughly before you make the right choices in the market offered by various asset management company. So we have created a separate playlist on this channel for mutual funds where we'll be coming up with various videos under this section so that you are well aware of the various mutual funds and what are the mutual funds. So friends, don't forget to like this video, subscribe the channel, hit the notification bell so that you remain updated all the time. Let's begin to understand the very basics of mutual funds to begin with. So what are mutual funds? In fact, mutual funds, among the so many investment options today available in the market, is one of the most powerful investment option, which has a potential to beat the inflation, and thus it can help you to attain your investment objective to achieve your financial goals. The financial goals at the young age could be many, like buying a movable or immovable property. It could be your children education, your retirement needs. So many financial goals can be set in by the individual. Simply to put forth, it is a pool of funds or money managed by the professional fund managers who are working for a asset management company. And money so collected from the large number of investors are invested on behalf of investors by the fund managers based on their own research. So money collected from large number of investors, where this money is invested. So this money is invested in equities, bonds, money market instruments, and or various other financial products and securities. The sole purpose is to achieve the investment objective for which the money has been invested by large number of investors sharing the common investment objective. So once the investment is made, let us not forget that any investment carries a risk behind it. So there will be profit or there will be loss. There will be gains or there will not be any gains. So how the income distribution is made? Collected investment is distributed, or income or gain or loss is distributed amongst the investors after deducting applicable expenses and other levies which are applicable as per the regulation by calculating the mutual funds scheme net asset value, which is called NAV. In simple words, the money collected from the large chunk of investors is what makes up the mutual fund. Let us understand this very phenomenon with the help of a simple example. 5 friends stay in a shared house with a limited money. They want to buy cookies. When they reach to the departmental store, the departmental store tells them that he sells cookie in a packet which contains the 100 cookies worth 100 rupees. Now the problem here is none of the 5 friends have 100 rupees. So they decide to collect 20 rupees each to make up the 100 rupees to buy a packet of cookies. So based on their contribution, each one gets 20 cookies or 20 units. We may call it units because we are comparing and giving this as example to understand the concept of mutual fund. How we calculate the cost of 1 unit or 1 cookie in this case? Total amount divided by number of cookies. So total invested amount was 100 rupees for which they got a packet of 100 cookies. So it becomes 100 divided by 100. So 1 rupee is the cost of 1 unit. So each friend is the holder of now 20 units or 20 cookies. The same thing happens in the mutual fund. Collective ownership of 100 cookies in a packet, and similarly, collective owner of the mutual fund scheme. What is net asset value, that is NAV, is all about in the mutual fund scheme. Like in a stock market, each share has a traded price. Similarly, in the mutual fund industry, the mutual fund has NAV, that is net asset value of each unit, calculated on the basis of closing price in the market each day. So in nutshell, NAV or net asset value is the combined value of total number of units held on a particular day after deducting the expenses. So how do we calculate it? Total value of the fund divided by outstanding units is equal to NAV or net asset value per unit. So for example, if you own 100 units of a particular mutual fund scheme, so your value of investment is 100 multiplied by NAV of each unit. Mutual fund is truly a very good investment options which has the ability to beat the inflation, and especially good for those people who lack the large sum of money to invest in. Secondly, if there is a person who has a lack of inclination towards doing the research work in the stock market or for the financial products where he intends to invest, the person might be having the knowledge to research for a particular financial product, but he doesn't have the time because of his other professional engagements. So all in this scenario, the investment in mutual fund can be started with a very small amount like 500 to 1000 rupees on a regular basis. And thus in the process, you hire a professional fund manager who looks after your investment and you pay a small fees. Even the small fee that you pay when you buy a mutual fund product, even that fee is well regulated by the regulator SEBI. So friends, I hope that you might have the fair idea about what is mutual fund. We will continue to learn more about mutual fund. So give a lot of thumbs up to this video, share this video, subscribe the channel, hit the notification bell for updates. Thank you very much for watching. Looking forward to meet you very, very soon.